Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen at healthykadai. Today I am sharing one of the most requested recipe by all of you, which is salted whole wheat Zeera biscuits. These biscuits are actually bakery style cookies which are little salty, little sweet, and it satisfies both your sweet and salt cravings at the same time. To begin with, in a bowl we have to cream Desi ghee along with sugar. For this I am using half a cup of Desi ghee. Instead of Desi ghee you can even use butter. To this we'll add 1/4 cup of sugar. I've used powdered brown sugar here, although you can even use white sugar. Now with the help of a blender we need to cream both together until we get a light and creamy mixture. Just have a look at it. With the help of a spoon we'll scrape off the sides. There are still little granules in it, so we'll cream it further. And our mixture is ready. In another bowl we'll take 1 cup or 150 grams of atta or whole wheat flour. Into this we'll add half a teaspoon of salt along with half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of Zeera in it. I've kept the balanced quantity aside and just simply mix everything together. Into our cream mixture, now we'll add flour in batches to prepare dough for our cookies. So we'll use our fingertips to combine this mixture. Do not knead it. And then we'll add the balanced quantity of flour in it. Continue to mix it until you get this wet sand consistency. Just have a look at it. Once it reaches this stage, now we need to combine everything together to prepare the dough. So for that we'll add 1 tablespoon of milk at a time and continue to mix it until the whole mixture combines well. Here is my biscuit dough ready. To prepare this I have used 3 tablespoons of milk in it. Add milk gradually. You can see it from inside. The dough will look just like that. Once the dough is ready, wrap in a cling film and then refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes to make it workable. It's been 20 minutes and I have removed the dough from the refrigerator. Just roll it out for few more times to smoothen out the surface and give it a nice cylindrical shape. As requested, we'll be baking these biscuits in an idli stand, so grease the idli mold with Desi ghee. Thereafter, we'll cut half a centimeter pieces of the prepared biscuit dough. Because we are baking these biscuits in an idli stand, so we are cutting these discs. However, you can also roll out the dough and using a cookie cutter, you can cut any desired shape of your biscuits. Once cut, we'll place all the biscuits in an idli stand. Sprinkle the remaining cumin seeds or Zeera and press it gently on top of all the biscuits. All our biscuits are ready for baking. We'll be baking 1 set of biscuits in an air fryer. So now we'll place all the plates on idli stand. While placing the plates, ensure that the holes should come on top of the biscuits for even baking. Now we'll place this idli stand in a preheated pressure cooker which I have already heated with salt. One needs to bake these biscuits on medium flame for at least 30 to 35 minutes till these are baked well. However, we need to check these biscuits in between. Simultaneously, we'll keep biscuits in air fryer which I have already preheated at 160 degrees Celsius. We'll be baking these biscuits at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes first. After 8 minutes, you can see the biscuits have turned out quite well, but these are still soft, so we'll be baking it further for 3 to 4 more minutes. And our biscuits in air fryer are done. Let's check it out. Have a look at it. The biscuits are looking quite attractive and these are ready. We'll allow it to cool it down completely. Then let's check out our biscuits in idli stand. Little browning has started in these biscuits. It's been 15 minutes till now, and I will also show you the bottom biscuits. I can see little browning over there as well. We'll continue to bake these biscuits. It's been 35 minutes in total and our Zeera biscuits are ready. Look at these. These are puffed up so well and the color has also come out very nice. Now we'll allow these biscuits to cool down completely and then we'll serve it. Once cooled, we'll transfer the biscuits in our plate. So these are the biscuits which we have baked in air fryer and these are the ones from idli stand. Basically, there is not much difference between the two. I'll show you a closer look of both these cookies. Nicely baked from both the sides. The color has turned out very well. So you can basically bake biscuits in both idli stand as well as air fryer. Let me break one piece for you. Perfectly baked Zeera biscuits which taste just like those bakery biscuits. So you have to try it once to know the taste of it. One can even store these biscuits for at least 2 weeks when stored in an airtight container.
These bakery style Zeera biscuits and let me know how does it turn out for you. Please continue to like our video, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.